Hello everybody, hope you're well. It's me, Marion Yau, aka Miss Full Fixer. We have this nail that is onychauxis, suspected onychomycosis. The nail bed is, you can see, deformed. So what you can see is, here is slightly raised, here is slightly, really raised, and here, this one, that's completely flat there. So what can happen is, as the nail curves and impinges, it also impinges onto the nail bed and the soft tissue, and it becomes thicker. So today we are going to remove it, mainly for the infection, but we're going to remove the nail. Yes.
You don't play about, mate.
No. I'm just like, well, you want it off? Well, come to the right person because I do this all the time. I am the boss, exactly. So this is very attached. So we just need to do this very gently. You're okay? Not feeling anything? Just gotta be a little bit more careful with the large one because it has a higher level of deformity compared to the little ones. So you can see all the fungus and the debris of the nail bed, and that's what we're going to clean up today.